Good morning, students. Welcome once again in the class of English. Myself Kamalnath, and I am going to continue chapter 4, The Fight. This is the second video session of chapter 4. In the first video session, I gave you the detail of the author P.D. Thomas, and I told you the summary of the beginning part of the story. And in the first part, I introduced the two players. Their names were Antonio Cruz and Felix Burgos. You remember very well, these are only the two characters in this story. These two players are bosom friends, very good friends, deep friends, and they love each other, care each other. They wish their life to be a great. So they are not only friends, they are called brothers. The writer has in fact termed the word amigo brothers. Their relation is of brothers and they are true friends. So let us see. As the P.D. Thomas, I have already told you, he was born in 1928 and died in 2011. And I detail you, as an actor also, he got success, and as a writer too, he wrote several books and novels which were appreciated by the readers of the world. So let us see the further part, that is second part of the summary of this chapter, The Fight. Although it's not in fact fight, it is tournament. It is a game, boxing tournament, as you can see in the picture very clearly. The two friends who are opponents, who are rivals in this game. And this is what ironical, that the two boys, these two players are going to represent here the boys club in the Golden Gloves Championship Tournament. That was the name of the tournament. Okay, boys club in the Golden Gloves Championship Tournament. And that was quite amazing for them when they got this opportunity, got this chance to fight against each other as opponent, being true friends, dedicated friends. And they had to show the true spirit of great players as well, as they were quite well-known players, and their audience, their spectators appreciated their dedication and the game whenever they saw, whenever they watched. So let us see here what happens in this second part, middle part of the story, as this is divided in three parts, being a long story. Now Antonio and Felix are participating in the division finals, as I told you, in which the winner will represent the boys club in the Golden Gloves Championship Tournament. Right now I told you, detail you, that both are going to participate in the tournament. They will represent boys club. They are going to represent the boys club, and the tournament's name is Golden Gloves Championship Tournament. These two players are going to face each other in the ring. As you know, this boxing tournament is played in the ring, and what happens, we will watch, we will see in the game, and what is the end of the game, how they are fighting, how they are playing. That's interesting and amazing, and that is what their true spirit, to prove that they are not only great friends, true friends, they are true players, great players. As the moment they reached in the ring, they were no friends at all. They were no brothers at all. They were just the players, great players. As the way they played, as they each other attacked in the game. Let us see. As the final is approaching, the final match is approaching, there develops a wall between Antonio and Felix, as the day of tournament is approaching, here both of them are worried as well, because they are friends and they are going to fight a great tournament. And there is a wall now that is drawn. Wall develops now. What kind of wall? How they will face each other in the ring. How will they prove that they are friends? And at the same time, how will they prove that they were great players? And in this way, they were in great confusion, and just they were thinking how to make the match, this tournament, successful. One day, Felix tells Antonio that he is worried about their fight. One day he expressed his anxiety. Felix told his friend, and he said that he was worried about their fight. He even wants to win fair and square. He told that he wanted to win. Both of them had this spirit to win, and they wanted to play the game fairly, not here just to helping each other, not to understanding the emotions and feelings of friendship, being a good player. Antonio replies that once they enter into the ring, they will be like professional boxers who do not give importance to friendship. And he told there was way. Antonio very frankly, very clearly replied him that there was nothing to worry about. They would play, they would face each other. The only thing was that he suggested his friend Felix that the moment they enter in the ring, both of them will play like professional boxers, like a true player with true sportsmanship feeling, not putting any emotional touch of friendship. Okay, and they will not give any importance of friendship. Felix suggests him that it will be better if they do not see each other till the match. They decided that it will be better if both of them will not see each other, not meet each other, will not talk each other till the match is finished. And that could give them the time, the opportunity to think about game, about tournament, not about friendship. Antonio also agrees. Antonio also agrees to this suggestion, to this proposal of Felix. After they part, means when they just left each other, Tony, who is on the roof of his building, plans to knock out Felix as early as possible. On the other hand, Felix goes to watch a movie named The Champion. He decided to go and see a movie, enjoy a movie, which name was The Champion, for getting relaxation and not to think about Antonio. So that if he would watch the movie, he would be just lost in that one, greatly lost in that. He would just think about movie, not about his friend, not about Antonio at all. So thinking this idea only, he went to just see the movie The Champion. But the movie is about a boxing match. The movie was also about a boxing match, the same match they were going to play, which disturbs Felix. The purpose was to go and relax watching the movie, but the movie event disturbed him mentally. He worries whether the match will strain his friendship with Antonio. He was worried. He was intense. If after the match their friendship would be broken, or there will be some negative impact on their friendship. Like Antonio, he also plans to do a quick knockout in the first round. On the day of their match, Tompkins Square Park, that was the name of the place where the match was scheduled, match was going to take place. Okay, so on the day of their match, Tompkins Square, where the match is scheduled, is filled with crowds. That place was filled with crowds, several spectators all around, those who knew them and their game. They could not just stop themselves, and they all came to see how they were going to play the match, as both of them were known to the spectators and both of them were appreciated. People loved them. Finally, the match starts, and as the first round begins in the match, Antonio and Felix are in the fighting pose. They entered in the ring and both of them were in the fighting pose, in which pose they had to just attack each other. Felix approaches Antonio very fast with his head blow. You know, in the boxing match, in what way they fight, with their just hands, with punches, with their heads. And that's why Antonio and Felix are in fighting pose, and Felix first just approaches Antonio very fast with his head blow, half hunched towards his right shoulder. Half hunched means bent. Hunched means bent. So just he approached and attacked and kicks out with a straight left. So no doubt the match continues. In what way? What happens in the later part in the match, that is interesting, and I will bring you that part in the third video, in the next video. Till then, you go through whole chapter minutely, very well, carefully, and learn the new words used in the chapter well, so that it will strengthen your vocabulary, will smooth your spoken, written both. And till then, you just wait. You must have enjoyed this part, and the further that I will bring you next part, I will finish the whole story, and then we will see what happened in the last, in the conclusion at the end of the match. Who won the match? What happened? What about their friendship? All that I will explain you in the last part. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you being very just with me. Thank you.